credit repair world is flooded with people giving you advice. It's like infomercials everywhere you go online. Your cousin, someone's got a guy. There's a guy on TikTok. There's a guy on YouTube. There's a guy everywhere. This is the used car business of the finance world. You take the wrong advice from someone, you're stuck with a bad score. You hammer your report based on work that the bureaus don't recognize, your credit report will get flagged. You want to be careful every step of the way, everything that you do when you dispute. I see people that come in with reports that have been worked by some huge company somewhere in another part of the country, and I see accounts that are good, in good standing, in dispute. Why do you dispute that? I don't know. Listen, let's talk about a couple of things here. First myth: checking your credit hurts your score. False. Does not. It's a soft pull. Your lender pulls your report. That's a hard inquiry. People see that. Myth number 2: you need to carry a balance on a credit card. That's what they want to see. It's not what they want to see. No one ever, with knowledge of credit, ever said that. Banks are profit centers. They want you to carry a balance so you have some interest to pay them every month. Avoid all that interest and carry no credit card debt. If you can do it, it's the way to do it. You don't benefit from carrying a balance. Myth number 3: closing your old cards helps your score. Well, that's a load of crap. Closing a card can change your available credit limit. You may hurt your score because you closed a card that was 10 or 15 years old. We had a client a couple of years ago who came in. She was terrified to check her score. Terrified for a couple of reasons. She didn't know what was there, number 1. Number 2, she thought it might hurt her score even more without really knowing what her score was. You kind of get what I'm saying here. She didn't know what she didn't know. And she was watching videos online and trying to decipher what was out there for information. And there was a lot of bad information out there. We sat her down, pulled her credit report, went over it with her line by line. And guess what? She didn't need us. She had no bad credit. She had no marks. She had nothing that wasn't hers on her credit report. How's that? We turn away about 30% of the people, maybe even more, that come to us looking for help because there are either things that you can do for yourself or work doesn't need to be done. Let's get the free analysis of your credit report done. Let's do it now. Text the word credit to 702-778-2000.